Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Helps again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your UKG account, which is the upgraded version of Ultra Pro. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Okay, to log into your UKG account. First, open your preferred browser on desktop. And as well, you can see I have already opened the Google Chrome. You can do the same if you want to. And on the search bar over here, search for Ultra login. I've already searched over here, and here's a suggestion. I'll click it, and you can see if you want to log into the UKG version of the Ultra Pro, you need to scroll down a little bit, which is, you can see, and second option is the ew41ultrapro.com. Click there, and after it loads, you can see the username and password option over here. And there, guys, this is how you log into your Ultra Pro account, which is UKG. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.